What is it?
Whoa.
It's interesting.
Oh, that's not good.
What?
Whoa!
This board is hard to skate.
Hey you guys, we're here today with Glowboarder and Mowgli and Dan, the Uzi Dan, who's behind the camera today. It's a special event. And Nigel Ryan Jones, who is grabbing grip tape. Alright, so I'm gonna pull up my Amazon real quick because this is where this was purchased. And this is the Bamboo Skateboard blank 8-inch deck from Bamboo Skateboard. That's literally all it's called is Bamboo Skateboards. It's not a brand. It looks really nice and it's, oh yeah, okay, so the actual brand is Bamboo Skateboards. Bamboo Skateboards is located in beautiful Southern California and we've been offering the best bamboo skate deck since 2008. We started this company when we learned that the craze for maple skateboards was having a destructive effect on old growth forests. It takes 60 years for maple trees to mature enough to harvest, while it takes bamboo only 3 to 5 years. We decided to accept the challenge of creating an alternative to maple decks that provide superior durability, pop, and performance at a competitive cost. Once you experience the pop of a bamboo board, you'll never want to go back to brittle maple decks. Try one of our bamboo decks and you'll be skating bamboo for life.
Wow, those are some strong.
Wow.
Dang, those are some heavy claims.
How much was this board?
This was $39.95 with free 1-day delivery on Amazon Prime.
Wow, that's cheap.
Wow.
And it has a lot of really good reviews.
I want to try it now because if it's good, I'm just gonna start skating bamboo board.
Wait, what? The top review gave it a 3-star and said, I pop my tricks like Chad Muska jumping a river gap and I'm 225.
Oh yeah, it's looking good.
The board did feel a bit different at first. It was a concave in shape, not the material I wasn't much of a fan of. I still have a lot of hope that bamboo skateboards catch on as a substitute for maple. Okay. Another person gave it 2 stars and said not good if you actually skateboard. When I first put it on the ground, it sounded like a regular skateboard would sound if it was completely waterlogged.
Wow.
Ooh, harsh people.
Yeah.
Someone else gave it 5 stars, said great for custom art.
I just skated some snowshoes.
And another person said awesome skateboard, was hesitant to buy a bamboo board because I've been riding maple decks for the last 20 years, but I can say now that I really like the way it feels. So there's a lot of different reviews. Now, Braille Skateboarding is here, the official authority of testing stuff. We're here for an episode of Do Not Break the Bamboo Skateboard. Whoa!
What is it?
I wonder what it could be.
It's a skateboard.
I'm so hyped on my new shoe.
Roll green, hashtag roll green, bambooskateboards.com. Go ahead and check them out if you guys want to save our environment that is dying. What do you think of this? First impressions. Good.
I feel like this is a normal skateboard and they just printed just bamboo looking stuff on it.
We gotta break it at the end maybe and see at the inside.
Yeah, we'll have to see what the inside looks like.
Yeah. The flies in the middle look really nice. It looks like a really professional skateboard.
Well, we can say one thing. The box is destructible.
We
True.
can say that.
Look at this ply right here though, Nigel. Doesn't it look kind of weird to you? It looks a little weird. All right, well, let's open it up. Whoa! I love the concept. Regardless of if this board is actually good or not, saving some maple trees for bamboo, I think it's awesome.
Alright, let's set this out. I'm trying to shred, bro.
Right here. Or this grip is small.
No,
Oh!
it's an 8.
Oh.
It's an 8.
Missed it.
Dude, I made it.
You missed it.
I missed 3, I made 1. Dude, it feels so weird on the bottom. You can feel the bamboo grain, it's sick.
Bamboo.
Wow.
So we need some more screws here. Here, just use the. Go ahead and make use of the new Braille skateboarding hardware.
BrailleSkateboardingHardware.com.
Braille, no, it's just BrailleSkateboarding.com, not hardware.com.
Not hardware.com. It's not us.
Do you have any predictions, Dan?
I predict it's going to be a regular skateboard. Not only that, not only do I predict that it's going to feel like a regular skateboard, but I predict that the inside of this board is a normal skateboard.
So you think the top and bottom ply are the only things with bamboo?
I mean, because look at, you see this right here, striped this way? These layers aren't striped that way.
Oh yeah, they do crisscross them though.
We'll see, we'll see. Dude, being an animal in the ocean, like, you don't gotta have a job, like, you literally just swim around. That's
Yeah,
it.
but you're not gonna live very long, most likely.
But if, you might though. You just gotta keep your head on the
You don't
floor.
got the ocean police.
Yeah, I know, it's like the Wild West, but it's like the ocean. You know what I mean? Like, it's just luck. Like, you could be born as a crab, that would suck. Or you could be born as like a killer whale, and then Dude, if you're born as a killer whale, you literally have no problem.
Yeah, you do.
You do whatever you want.
Yeah, freaking SeaWorld comes in the ocean, steals you, turns you into Shamu, brother.
You're like, hey, I'm a killer whale, nothing's gonna stop me. And then just, like, hey, here's a pool. Come live in the pool.
I feel like the only way you're like really safe is if you're like a whale shark.
I see what they're saying. It's interesting. It's different.
I don't know. That looks pretty poppy, dude.
No, yeah, it's good. It's just the shape is really like something I've never skated before. It's like extreme concave, and the tail is like flat. This board actually is probably pretty like good.
Let me see real quick. Let me
try it.
Let me take a gander. It does feel like a really high board. I think that's the only problem. I skate low. I just popped out of my shoe. You see that?
Not bad.
It's pretty good, actually. I think, right?
Yeah, I think so. Like if you were skating it, you wouldn't be like at a disadvantage. I don't think.
Not at all.
I think the only thing is when you pop it does sound just a little bit different.
Yeah, but I mean,
it's not even bad. Whoa,
It's long. I feel like.
no, did you see the grip tape barely fit on it though? That's what I think. I think it's longer.
Oh.
Hey, Gabe. Hey, here's the true test.
What's the true test? Oh,
Switch flip?
you're right. All right, so it's as good as a regular board.
One more.
Damn, it's interesting.
Interesting.
It's not bad in any way. It's just different. I think the board is longer than regular.
Oh, whoa, that's like a 15-inch wheelbase. Jeez.
Dang.
Oh my god! Almost had it. Gabe, when you do this, just jump down, like perfectly like this, and just land sliding down.
Would you?
Maybe maybe on this side. Have you ever seen there's a video with who was it? I forgot his name. But
The
he's
guy
like,
that was on his board that just jumped and
yeah, it's like he's a pro skater. He like no, there's a different one. He's like see you guys later and does a tray flip and just jumps and lands in it and just slides. That actually seems super sketch to do.
do it.
No, I'll break my leg. God.
Oh! That was impressive.
Wow.
I think it's good. You know, you did 100% kickflip better with tighter trucks, though. All right, Glow, what you got? Whoa! You got some slide on that. How did he roll away from
That
that?
was a nice roll away.
Wow. Well done. That's sick. Damage report? It did fully like indent though. It seems like this is way less strong.
Oh, that's not good.
He's just going right for it, huh?
Wow!
Woo!
You going for the front board?
Yeah, I picked up some speed on the way down. Whoa!
You are flying.
It's pretty slick. I like it.
Uzi, would you like to skate the hubba?
Not really.
No slide it.
Yeah. Okay.
I almost died.
I'll allow that.
I had a rock in my hand.
Wow, that is a smooth rock.
Very circular.
Here.
Oh!
Go get the rock. Smooth. I gotta ask you, Nigel, is it actually like pretty poppy?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. It's just kind of long.
But in terms of like durability and poppiness, you think it's pretty good?
Feels good.
That was hefty.
Hey, Gabe,
Yeah.
feel this rock. It's a different one.
Wow, that's even smoother than the first rock.
I know.
Oh my god! Land a 3 flip, I'll get you 20 bucks. Ah!
What?
Whoa! Whoa!
I was like,
My foot got amputated.
my man's gonna need a peg leg.
I always wanted a peg leg.
You wouldn't be able to skate. Pretty
I
good.
mean, yeah, I would.
Think you still hit those straight flips down to 5?
No, not at all.
And your other foot flies
I'd be
up?
peg leg Jones.
2 peg legs?
Double peg leg Jones. Run like this.
Can we get? Can we skate, please?
Oh, good.
Ah!
Ah!
I tried to bamboo you.
Uzi, you're up. Oh my god.
The like pocket of this board, I think it is longer. Like the tail and nose are longer.
No,
'cause
no, I'm telling you.
I keep trying to put my foot in the pocket and it's like, it still feels like in the middle. All right, one more. I hit my knee.
Oh my god.
This board is hard to skate.
You all right, Dan?
Yeah,
What did you hurt?
my insides.
You ready, Mobley? I'm about to tag you in. Great pop.
Oh yeah, so
Weird shape.
What do you think?
Great pop. It should probably work on the shape, but other than that, this is a great board.
Oh, you go to 7?
Oh, you want to go? Take it there then.
Yeah, boy.
Let's see what the reviews are here. I have been skateboard for around 15 years on and off. This is the most enjoyable deck I've ever had. Feels amazing, light, snappy, feels less than fragile to land on than maple. The only negative that I can see is if you board slide anything very rough, bamboo will scrape easily and leave a gash. If you avoid sliding on the wood or just stick to really smooth metal, you should be golden.
Interesting. Good input, actually.
I like this deck. The only thing I'm having a hard time with is the really concave. I wasn't expecting that.
So shape, you guys are basically spot on with everything you said.
Yeah.
Can you
For
repeat
the
that?
hardwell to be flat.
Can you repeat that?
Had to countersink them myself. Purchase for my son who was in need of a slightly shorter board. This really did the trick. That's just this board is not.
Oh, wrong person.
Couldn't ask for better.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it? How many stars is that? 5?
Yeah. Very durable. We use it as a booster seat in the barbershop. Sat a big kid on it and it didn't snap.
That's the meanest thing you could say.
Guy with the sweater?
Nah.
Oh! The trucks need to get kicked in. They look new.
Oh! Yeah! You got it, Mogs. Wow! How'd it feel? Tell me everything.
Oh, one more trick.
That was everything. Now can you tell me everything?
Well, the way I think about it, the way I think about the board is you can feel the concave on this. So, hold on. Let me catch my breath real quick. To me, you can definitely feel the concave, and I'm more of a guy that likes it a little flatter than this. The nose and the tail look way too similar. So, I like from far away, like if I look at it from the ground, I almost want to think this is my tail, this is my nose, when it's actually or, you know, it could be the same. It could be your nose or the tail, it depends on you. But that kind of throws me off because I like to know that my nose is my nose and the tail is the tail. So the way I think about this board, those are the only things I don't like personally. But besides like strength, and because you could feel a board's strength when you like skate off a set or like you're just generally skating around cruising, this actually gave me a good, like, I'm confident like to go skate off something big or something. That's just what I think.
Cool. Very nice. What are your thoughts on it?
I like the pop. I think it's too long. It's like
So-
extendo clip.
Yeah, so really the shape is the only weird thing, but pop, durability, all good.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, we have conducted our scientific research and the conclusion is it's pretty good. Besides the shape and the length, it's good to go. So if you want to save some trees and start skating a bamboo board, go ahead and check them out on Amazon. The bamboo skateboard is pretty good. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And this board did not break.